Greetings and salutations, race fans, motorsport lovers and others. Welcome to the start line of round 5 of the Off-Road North Championship. It's the Penta Baltimore 500. 2-day event, 2 separate races in the days. Today is a brand new day. A couple of surprises yesterday. Gerard Heinlein lining up first as winner of yesterday. It was a beautiful day. It was hot. The sun is already starting to pull water out of every place it can find the water. And this stuff here, this fine dust, is going to go everywhere today. Slight little breeze. Here's the plan for today. No qualifying. We're starting in the order of race finish yesterday. Ceremonial start here. They go down the road about 15 Ks, and there the racing starts. It's 2 laps, around about 220, 230 kilometers. It's going to be fast. It's going to be fun. Let's go and talk to some of the drivers and see what they expect for today and what happened yesterday. Our winner from yesterday. Absolutely fantastic run. Gerard, môre gaan dit?
Goed met jou?
Ja, baie goed, dankie. Jy moes lekker geslaap gisteraand.
Ja, baie lekker, dankie.
Jy weet, om te wen is altyd lekker, maar nou moet jy eers op die pad gaan, maar jy weet waar die pad gaan.
Ja, nee, wat gelukkig was daar baie spore en ons nie ken nie, maar ons weet daarom nou so waar die roete is. So, nee, wat ek is nie te bekommerd nie.
En ek dink met al die karre wat gister gery het, gaan die pad is redelik opgekou.
Ja, nee, hy gaan maar skit, die rats en die goeders gaan sleg wees. So nee, dit gaan eintlik 'n heel ander roete wees vandag.
Wel, alles van die beste. Good luck.
Baie dankie.
Gemielies.
Baie dankie. Dankie.
Cheers. He smiled. Normally he's just so stoic and calm and winner. He had chicken for dinner. Philip Botha from Penta. Philip, môre.
Hallo Colin.
Hoe gaan dit?
Goed jy?
Ja, lekker. Jy moes lekker geslaap het gisteraand, tweede op gister se race, dis die Penta race. Hoe voel jy vanoggend?
Ja, was 'n baie suksesvolle reis vir ons gewees gister. Hoe hy dit goed gedoen agter die boeke. So kar is mooi. So is actually 'n baie groot voorreg wat ons het om met hierdie groot wiele deur die sand te gaan. Ek het nie verwag die sand is so dit is amper soos 'n Botswana reis. Maar roete was regtig waar mooi, ietsie van alles. Baie tyd, maar ek dink vandag is dit net netjies sou behoort goed te gaan.
Is 'n lang dag vandag. Dit gaan lekker warm wees ook.
Ja, verseker, maar dis die Bosveld.
En ons die Bosveld dis die beste plek om cross country te gaan.
Definitief, en ek hoop die mense geniet dit. Vandag gaan mooi wees.
Ja, lekker. Alles van die beste. Good luck. Because he's in the Redline V6 turbocharged Nissan motor in it. Sounds absolutely glorious. Just come and have a look around the back end here. We really can see exactly what the proper suspension of a cross-country rally raid vehicle is all about. Fat cooling needed for all the heat from the turbo. Wilro Dippenaar had another good run. They had a problem with the exhaust. Let's see. Where's here he is. Môre Wilro, gaan dit?
Goed en self.
Ja, lekker. Dis die kalm voor die storm.
Ja, daarom exhaust is reg, aircon werk weer so. Dit kan goed gaan vandag.
Wat was die probleem met die aircon?
Nee, gaslekkasie gehad so. Nou nuwe gas ingesit so.
Ja. Is die lekkasie reg?
Dit.
Lekker. En die exhaust, nuwe exhaust opgesit?
Nee, net die ou ene geweld. Gelukkig die gedeelte wat afgekraak het of afgebrand het, ons gaan nou nie weet nie. Ons kon ons daarom weer terug opweld so. Ja, die exhaust gaan nou beter klink vandag.
Gaan baie interessant wees vandag met die diep spore. Wat dink jy verwag julle vanoggend?
Ek weet eerlikwaar nie. Soos ek sê, is maar redelik tyd en twiste op die einde en baie tyd en twiste in die begin. So mens moet maar kyk waar wil jy druk, waar dit redelik oop is. Hierdie kant is baie van hy snaakse bome wat teen die pad sit en drade. So dit gaan maar 50-50 wees. Ek wil net nie papwiele kry nie. As ons dit kan vir my dan behoort ons net smooth deur hardloop. Ek wil nie dit druk waar jy kan druk, maar slek waar jy moet slek.
Dis 'n reis vir die mense met die kop, nie die ballas.
Ek dink dit speel so van al twee. Hang af hoe die kanse moet gevat word, maar ja.
Alles van die beste. Cheers.
Dankie.
Nog 'n Heinlein. Hoe gaan dit?
Dit in jou Colin.
Nee, baie lekker. Dis ongelooflik dat as al die Redline karre hier so voor en 'n nuwe dag vandag, né?
Ja, nee, verseker Colin. Ja, ons sal maar sal kyk hoe dit gaan. Die dust gaps is bietjie langer, so ek dink ons gaan nie mekaar so vinnig vang nie. So dit gaan lekker wees. Dit gaan 'n lekker fair game wees.
En ek dink ons het dit nodig. Daar's 'n klein winkie, maar in die Bosveld hang hier stof en dis nie lekker nie.
Nee, verseker, nee, as jy in die tyds gaan stof kry. Ons het gister ook agter ouens gesit, dan moet jy maar afslek. Hier's te veel bome en goed wat jy gaan uithaal.
En dis daai klein balance van jy wil druk, maar as jy nie kan sien nie, is dit 'n probleem.
Nee, dit is verseker so. Dis dan wanneer jy moet kop hou. Laat jou daai stem wat vir jou sê nee man, druk en dan moet jy sê so nee, ons het gister ook bietjie afgeslek en toe kry hulle papwiel en toe ons verby is toe loop dit weer.
Ja, en dis daai twee stemmetjies die op elke skouer en die slim mense weet wanneer om te luister na watter een.
Nee, dit is so. Dis die kind wat jy seker moet leer.
Alles van die beste.
Baie dankie Colin.
Cheers.
Dankie.
It's a lovely morning and just the difference in smiling and you can see the nervousness in there, but they're smiling, they're happy, they've had good result. Somebody who had a lot of fun. Môre man, hè? We gaan dit. Nee, moenie weggaan. Ons begin met Stompie. Stompie. Jy het 'n goeie run gehad gister, maar daar's 'n bietjie bodywork damage.
Ja, die bosse is dig hierso en ek dink dis maar min ouens wat se panels nie houe gevat het nie. Maar ja,
En die plan vir vandag?
probeer skoon bly, stywe pas, kom huis toe.
Het julle twee nou mooi gepraat oor as julle bietjie opvang, hoeveel keer moet jy hom skree voordat hy oortrek?
Nee, ons het nou daaroor gepraat, ons gaan mekaar bel.
Jy kan probeer bel, maar as Boggerol sy nie so.
Hey.
Alles van die beste, Stompie. Oi, little bit of nervous eh?
No, not at all, Colin. Not at all. Yesterday morning was a different story. Had some butterflies, but today I'm in the zone.
Okay, and you're just going to give it everything you've got?
Yeah, we had a good run yesterday. I think we came in second on the road, fourth overall. Well, actually myself and the guys from Group N, we had till the last second exactly the same time. So it was a good race. A lot of fun.
And dust not a problem today? With a 3-minute gap?
Look, the way that the regionals run, if you get a proper qualifying and you qualify where you need to qualify, you're not supposed to get any dust.
Yeah.
So if you get a bad qualifying, whatever, you sit behind someone, you've got trouble, yeah? There's a lot of big trees. There's no way to overtake someone. So the way they're going to run it today, 3-minute dust gaps, I think it's going to be perfect. I mean, like I just said, myself and the guy ahead of me, we were exactly the same speed till the last second. So I'm not supposed to get any dust today.
Yeah. Oh, it's going to be an interesting one.
Yeah.
Good luck. Have fun.
Thanks.
Love the smile. Let's see. Môre Eugene, hoe gaan dit?
Hi, goed self.
Ja, baie goed, dankie. Alles nog mooi skoon hier binne. Is jy reg vir vandag?
Ja, ons is reg vir vandag, ons sal sien hoe gaan hy.
En die pyres of die tracks is redelik opgekou. Dink jy dit gaan met die two-wheel drive julle bietjie effek?
Ja, definitief, want gister al klaar, hierdie eerste 40 kilos is regtig baie dik sand. En die two-wheel drive sukkel regtig om weg te kom in naai draaie en goeters en so nou om die tweede lap te ry en al daai karre is daardeur. Ek dink ons gaan bietjie fight vandag, maar die laaste deel van die baan is darm baie meer hardpack en goeters waar jy kan beter gaan, maar die eerste sal sê 40 kilos is 'n regtig struggle met die two-wheel drive.
Ja, alles van die beste. Cheers.
Dis reg, baie dankie.
And then probably surprise of the day yesterday was Martin, who had a bit of bad luck in the first ones. You hadn't finished, but yesterday, Martin.
Yeah, yesterday was...
What a race.
Yeah, it was great, man, great. As I said to you yesterday, we had a bit of overheating issues, but normal, didn't go too high. But yes, man, we floated yesterday. We enjoyed it.
You start 8th now, you won your class yesterday. That's quite impressive. You're happy?
Yeah, very impressed. To have this machine behind us is a great achievement. Let me tell you, so the pressure is going to be on us today with Gazoo behind us. But 3-minute dust gap, so he's going to have 3 minutes to try and catch me. But I'm going to keep it there.
And have you had a discussion with them about what happens? In theory, they should pass you.
Yeah, so
in theory.
Yeah, so I did discuss with him this morning. If he does catch me, look, he's a lot faster than me. So if he does press a screamer and there's no way for me to pass, I will respond by returning the scream back to him.
Just so that he knows.
Just so that he knows that I know that he's there. I mean, sportsmanship, that's all it comes down to. I don't want to hold him up from any points or anything, but it just comes down to being a sportsman, man.
And if it gets really dusty and you get dirty, what do we use?
Bro-ups.
I've got mine in my pocket. You're not getting them. I'm going to need them for when I get dusty and wipe my face off. They work.
I'm glad that you're using them, but and bro-ups they're the good thing to have, especially for the bros,
And if you get handprints on your bonnet?
Bro-ups.
Bro-ups for everything. Good luck.
Even for your camera screen. Thanks, Colin.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Zaire, you guys had should we call it an interesting run yesterday?
Yeah, it was an eventful day. We had 2 punches and about 5 kgs of barbed wire. But so we lost about 18 minutes and we're 10 minutes behind. So that means we were about 8 minutes up. So let's see what we can do today.
Going to be interesting. We've got a 3-minute dust gap.
Yeah.
Martin is ahead of you. He says that he knows that you guys are quicker. You've had a bit of a chat on how to manage in case you need to pass him?
Yeah, he came to us and we spoke about it. So basically he says once we scream him, if he heard it, he'll acknowledge back. But I told him don't keep looking. Enjoy his race.
Yeah, it's one of those things. You guys have come to learn, and it's also good for Saad to learn to manage driving in the dust.
Yeah, that's the thing. Today will be a learning curve. It's his first time proper in the dust. Yesterday after the first puncture we were behind Luet for a while, and then I think he wrong slotted, so we had clear air. So luckily it was only about 20 k's in the dust. But today it seems like a full day, yeah?
It's going to be a big one.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Thanks for chatting to us.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Welcome.
Morning, Saad. It's a bit warm, eh?
Yeah, it's hot. Hope the aircon's working.
Yeah. Interesting day ahead for you. Going to learn to drive in the dust.
Yeah, should be okay. We started already learning yesterday, so let's see how it goes.
And the plan is to learn but attack it when you need to.
Learn and try and go for the win.
Good luck. Have fun.
Thank you.
Cheers. Morning, Terence. How are you?
Good, and you?
Fantastic, thanks. You and James had a really good run yesterday.
We had a perfect run. Made a couple of mistakes. We'll fix it today. Had a bit of overshoot here and there. Missed a gate, but simple mistakes, but nothing serious.
And the car ran perfectly.
Perfect. No problems, no hiccups. We didn't get out of the car. No tires. Nothing. We enjoyed ourselves.
Well, it's a Hilux. So of course, it ran perfectly.
Yeah. No, we had no problems. We very very happy.
Just a question went through my mind. The history of this car. Where's it come from, and how did you get hold of it?
Say again, James. It's Gary Berthel's old car. It was built by Allspeed, so I think it's 15, 16 years old. Heincourt had it before us, and I think before that was David Johnson had it before us.
And I mean, it's a Allspeed car, so it's properly solid.
Yeah. No. It's a bit old, but it works like a bomb, and it's maintained it properly, and it works.
So it's almost like helicopter rotors, eh?
Yeah, not exactly. We do aircraft propellers, but yeah, if you look after it, it works.
And motor-wise, it's V6 and also just runs for straight six.
No, we run a V8, 4.6. We've got the smallest V8 of the group. We run a 4.6 V8 Lexus. Our class is allowed for 5-litre V8, so we run the baby. We run a 4.6. There's a BMW 4.8 in our class, and the rest, all of them run 5-litre Mustang V8s.
Awesome.
So we've got a baby, the smallest one, but we enjoy it.
And plan for today, just behave, no mistakes, don't get out of the car and bring it home.
Yeah, we need the points, we need to bring it home. Stay safe and try and bring it home.
Awesome, good luck, have fun.
Thanks.
Thanks, Tim.
Thanks, guys.
Môre Aubrey, hoe gaan dit?
Ja, goed en jy?
Lekker, dankie. Nou, dag 2, ons doen dit weer.
Ja, there we go again, eh?
Car's all nice and clean inside. You don't get very dusty in here, do you?
No, so this is a nice setup Terence did for us here. So not a lot of dust. We've got the nice aircon running here. So no, lucky inside, yeah. Eh?
I can feel the aircon. It's really needed. It's almost like I don't want to go away. I want to just keep going. It's warm already.
But it gets hot. It still gets hot inside this thing.
And you work a little bit, eh?
Yeah, no, we work.
Is the plan for today?
Say again?
Your plan for today?
No, so again, like yesterday, we just want to not get out of the car and bring it back in one piece. That's it. That's all we want to do. I think the guys chasing each other, I mean, they'll sort out whatever's going on in front. So we just want to come home. That's it.
And I think the 3-minute dust gap is really a nice idea.
Very nice, yeah. So luckily there's some wind, so I think it'll blow the dust a bit. But no, all good.
Awesome. Good luck. Have fun.
Thanks. We'll see you afterwards. Thanks.
Môre TG, hoe gaan dit?
Stel jouself, Colin?
Nee, lekker, dankie. Lekker warm dag vandag.
Ja, nee, hy's bietjie warmer as gister en ek sien hier is die wind nie, so die hitte kom bietjie meer deur nou.
En alles reg met die kar nou?
Ek sal vir jou sê na die reis of alles reg was. Maar sover ja.
En power steering, alles werk?
Ja, sover werk alles, daarom nog op die bakkie nie. Ons was daarom baie gelukkig. Daarom ons hoef niks te gewerk ek regtig gisteraand nie. Ons het net vanoggend weer die brieke gebloei. Ons het brieke verloor gister. So dit was maar dit gewees.
Alles van die beste.
Dankie Colin.
While we're here, I've just got to say a big thank you to Twin Star Precast for bringing us here and helping me look like a purple people eater. Thanks a lot, Twin Star. Good morning, Keith. How are you?
Fine, thanks yourself.
I'm just so happy with your result of yesterday. Probably I don't think I'm as happy as you are. Now it's just another day of bring the car back.
Yeah, no, we're only halfway through. So it's important to think of it that way. And we do what we did the first lap. And then if we do that, we'll have a good result.
I look forward to seeing you at the end and seeing that huge smile. Yesterday, it must have been such a relief to actually finish. You had a couple of non-finishes, but to finish yesterday must have been a lovely feeling.
For sure. We've had lots of bad luck this year. So we needed that, just to build the confidence for everybody. So today will be a much better day. We are more confident.
Awesome. Have fun, be fast and be safe.
For sure.
Thanks for chatting to us. Cheers.
Sure.
Let me help you with that. Môre Loot.
Yes, Colin.
Jy sit lekker rustig, né?
Ja, nee, ons het 'n lang wag hier agter. Glad nie waar ons wil wees nie, maar ja, unforeseen circumstances.
Jy het 'n bietjie draad getrek gister.
Ja, nogal 'n redelike lang stukkie. Ja, dit was 'n mooi storie. So 'n groot boldraad hier om die arms gedraai, 2 papwiele gehad. So ja, dit was nou nie vir ons 'n goeie dag gister nie, maar wat ons maar hier agter beklei vandag, wat sal ons maak?
Wat gaan deur jou kop nou as jy hierso sit en jy ponder wat is possible vir vandag?
Ou sit en dink, het ek nou gisterand ook sit en dink die probleem om hier agter weg te trek is jy gaan nou te hard probeer ry om voor te kom weer en dan overdrive jy die kar, jy ry meer en goed vas. Jy maak eintlik meer gemors hier agter as wat jy net daar voor normaalweg wegspring, want jou kop is nie reg hier agter nie. Dis moeilik.
Ons almal weet dat jy wil wen, maar partykeer is dit net om te sit en amper aanvaar dat jy die drol is in die drinkwater en nou moet jy mooi drink.
Ja, nee, dit is so, en jy gaan niks kan maak nie, dis soos ek sê, jy gaan nou probeer hard druk, en dan maak jy net meer moeilikheid, jy gaan nou net in goed vasry, so dis nou maar net, ek het vir Adriaan sê, ons moet nou maar net ry, en dit is nie 'n two-wheel drive reis hierdie nie, ongelukkig nie, maar daar moet ook sulke reises wees, so ons aanvaar het, ons maak maar klaar, ons lead nog steeds die championship, so, en ek glo ons sal nog steeds lead, al waar ons eindig vandag, en die volgende reis is aan stoot ons maar weer as dit bietjie oop is, ja.
Alles van die beste. Good luck. Ons sien jou as jy huis toe kom.
Sharp, dankie. Alright, sharp.
Môre Bonnie?
Môre. Hoe gaan dit? Goed met julle?
Nee, lekker. Ek sien jou wishbone hy wishes op hom nou.
Ja, ons het maar gister 'n bietjie bad luck gehad. Ons het hom afgery, ons het tyre gebars. En ja, maar ek wil net sê big thanks to UB Leisure wat vir my een gestuur het van Pretoria af.
Dis mooi van hulle.
Ja, is baie nice.
Maar het 'n paar dollars gekos, né?
Ja, dis 'n paar rand, maar ten minste kan ons reis en ons kan die reis klaarmaak en ja, punte op die bord sit.
En jy's agterloot, twee vinnige karre, daar's blyk volgens qualifying en die spoed is daar gaan 'n bietjie traffic vandag wees.
Ja, daar gaan definitief en dis weer warm, die stof en dis maar sand, so dis heavy uitgery. Ek dink ons gaan vandag ons gaan 'n bietjie werk vandag, ja.
En die windjie het besluit om op te hou.
Hier's geen wind nie, so ek dink ons gaan dis kom ek sê ek dink ons gaan net alweer wees.
Maar as partykeer moet dit taaf wees en dit maak die enjoyment 'n bietjie meer. Ja, die achievement.
Ja, nee, het is dan dis maar kompetisie, dis maar hoe dit is, maar ek dink ou moet maar net mooi ry want daar's baie bome wat fisies in die baan staan. So
en 'n boom teen 'n kar, die boom wen elke keer, né?
Ja, hulle gaan sy jou kom optel daar so, maar ja, maar hopefully ons hoop vir die beste en ek dink ja, ons gaan goed doen.
Alles van die beste. Mooi ry.
Baie dankie julle. Daar's hy.
Goeiemôre dames.
Môre.
Hoe gaan dit vanoggend?
Goed.
En dit is lekker warm nou, né?
Yes. Lekker.
Ek moet probeer om my oë te gebruik om waar ek stap sodat ek nie oor die toue val nie.
Lastige sy-stappies.
Klein stappies. En nou is dit net wag om te begin en dan gaan daar van wees.
Ja, net van geniet, klaarmaak.
Lekker.
Ja.
Good luck. Thanks for chatting.
Dankie, bye.
Morning, how are you?
How are you going?
I can feel that we raced yesterday, but otherwise very well, thanks.
Awesome. It's a hell of a noisy here. With a helmet on, we probably can't hear each other very well.
We're not communicating properly.
Well,
it's cool. Okay.
All nice and clean today. Good luck. Have fun.
Thank you. Thanks.
Dokkie, hoe gaan dit vanoggend?
Dit gaan goed. Ek het die verkoue gister uitgesweet in die bakkie. Dis lekker warm hier so, ja.
Dis baie warm.
Ja.
En julle het 'n goeie run gehad gister?
Ja, goeie run, 'n paar plekkies misgedraai, maar wat dit gebeur ook aan die boom geslat. So mense moet heeltyd maar konsentreer op die pad, maar dis 'n lekker baan.
En ons weet as 'n kar en 'n boom veg, wen die boom altyd.
Altyd, ja nee.
Dit gaan 'n bietjie stowwerig wees vandag.
Ja, dit gaan, maar ek sien die windjie steek hom nou op, so dit sal baie help en die dustgap is om 3 minute, so ek dink dit gaan ook baie help.
Alles van die beste.
Dankie. Okay.
Thanks. Môre Liesel, hoe gaan dit?
Kan oopmaak.
Dis so seker. Hoe gaan dit vanoggend?
Goed, dankie.
En gister was 'n goeie dag vir julle, né?
Ja, ek dink dit was.
En
Ons het 'n bietjie gesukkel, maar ons is shop.
Wat was die gesukkels wat julle gehad het?
Sand. Daai bums is so hoog, jy gly net deur 'n wêreld vol.
En die kar wil amper op sy eie padkies.
Maar die kar word warm, ek dink is te warm. Ek moet sê ons sukkel gewoonlik met die belt. Hy was fyn, maar die kar het bly warm word. Snap jy?
En hoe warm was die belt gewees gister?
Ja, die belt het maximum 75. Hy's nog sharp, maar die kar het actually sy heat gauge begin brand.
Dan moet jy 'n bietjie afslek.
Ja, dan moet jy 'n bietjie afslek, ja.
Dis 'n bietjie frustrerend, maar
Dit is nogal ja, ag maar dis lekker.
Maar jy moet vir die kar sorg.
Ja.
Good luck. En die glimlag laat hy groter wees as jy by die huis kom.
Definitief. Dankie baie.
Môre Dominique, hoe gaan dit?
Goed self.
Ja, baie goed, dankie. Geniet sien jy uit na vandag?
Baie. Maar ek het dit gister vreeslik baie geniet.
En die sand en die kar wil net gaan waar hy wil.
Hy wil gaan waar hy wil, jy moet hard werk om hom op die pad te hou, maar dit is baie lekker.
Geniet dit en alles van die beste vir vandag.
Baie dankie. Dankie.
Cheers. Môre Jan.
Môre Colin.
Hoe gaan dit vanoggend?
Nee, wat goed, dankie. En by julle?
Ja, lekker, dankie. Mooi, lekker warm. Maar julle het nou 3-minute dust gaps wat altyd lekker is.
Ja, dit gaan 'n bietjie meer help as gister. Was 'n bietjie sleg in die stof, maar ja, ons kyk hoe loop die dag.
En het dit julle gecheck dat julle screamers alles mooi werk?
Ja, ons het nou almal getoets, so alles het mooi gewerk op die oomblik.
En wat verwag jy van vir vandag?
Nee, wat vandag gaan ons dit net geniet. Ons het baie tyd gister verloor, maar ons gaan nog steeds druk kyk wat ons kan doen.
Lekker, alles van die beste.
Dankie.
En onthou, enjoy, have fun.
Net so. Dankie.
Môre Lenes, hoe gaan dit?
Dankie self.
Ja, lekker, dankie. Gister was nie julle beste dag nie, né?
Nee, maar ons is weer vandag hier, so ons hoop vir die beste vandag.
Ja, maar dit gaan lekker warm wees vandag en dan sal jy die kar by die einde bring.
Ja, nee, ons gaan maar net lekker ry.
Geniet dit.
Ons sal, dankie.
Morning, Tony.
Right, and you?
Ah, very good, thanks. Did you get all your troubles sorted yesterday?
Yeah, except the CV boot. We just put more grease in and push the boot closer just to try and get so dirt doesn't get in.
It's going to be an interesting one to see if it survives. You're going to stop at the end of first loop and just have an inspection?
Nah.
Drive it until it stops?
Nah, well, it'll be fine.
Did you put some duct tape around it?
No, it doesn't work.
Not even tie wraps?
No, it don't work. No.
So it's going to be an interesting day for you guys today.
Yeah, for sure. I think it's going to be hot again.
Well, have fun. Keep the car going.
Thanks, Colin.
And we'll see you in Mark at the end.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Let's have a look at that CV joint we were talking about. Yesterday, the exhaust had a problem. It came apart. And then, Rian, if you can get around there, you can check the CV boot. So he's running with a split open CV boot here. I don't know how long it's going to last. The tie wrappers just get the thing down there. If the dust gets in there, it'll end up being like grinding paste. But hell, we hope that he makes it to the end. The exhaust is the whole bracket came off, and see they fixed up sorted out the bracket, so the exhaust is at least on. Going to be an interesting day for the Gavayas. Môre Piet.
Hoe gaan dit?
Ja, lekker. En ek sien van die glimlag, dit gaan lekker goed met jou ook.
Ja, nee, wat gister was 'n opwindende dag. Allerhande dingetjies, maar ja, wel, ons is ready.
En jy het baie geleer gister.
Ja, definitief.
En nou vandag is dit weer.
Ons gaan so 'n bietjie stof ruik.
Ja, maar daar's goeie insulation hier, so dit lyk nie te stowwerig binne.
Ja, nee, wat ons is happy, ons is rustig. Ons gaan hom vat soos hy kom.
Geniet dit.
Dankie.
Cheers. Morning, Alex.
Colin, how are you?
Fantastic. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
It's going to be another good day.
Yes.
Yesterday, a tree viciously jumped out and beat your car.
Actually, a steel pole, yeah.
How does a pole just suddenly jump out of the ground and attack the car?
This is racing, anything is possible.
And you're just going to bring it to the end again today?
That's the plan, yeah.
Awesome. Good luck.
At least finished yesterday, first place in the class, so it's good.
That counts.
Finishing is everything, so.
Yeah. And then winning is the next bit.
Well, yeah, finish first and then you can first finish. What do you call it?
First you got to finish, and then you got to whatever that thing. We know that one. Yeah. Well, good luck. Thanks for chatting to us. Have fun, and bring the Pajero by the house.
The Shogun. Don't call it a Pajero, please.
No, it's a Pajero.
They call it a Shogun. You know, in some countries.
Yeah, but hold on. Okay, what in Spanish isn't a Pajero something like a wanker?
Something like that, yeah.
So a Shogun in Spanish countries and a Pajero in the rest of the world.
I think so. That's okay. The Spanish is confused, so it's fine.
See. Cheers. Morning, Andre. How are you doing?
I'm well in yourself, Colin.
Fantastic, thanks. Another new day.
Yeah, no, it's going to be a tough one. It's going to be a long day. We know what's ahead of us, so we try and prepare ourselves mentally for it.
At least with a 3-minute dust cap, you'll be able to. You won't be bothered so much by the dust.
Yeah, no, definitely. Hopefully, the 3-minute dust cap, the dust will settle. But hopefully, there's a bit of a breeze coming up, so we can just clear the road. Then we'll have a nice day.
We need the breeze just to stay a little bit cooler.
Oh yeah, no, 100%. We are boiling in this car.
Oh, great stuff. Keep the Twin Star going, and we'll see you at the finish.
100%. I'm going to try my best.
Cheers.
Ciao.
Môre Stan, hoe gaan dit?
Lekker, Colin. Baie goed, dankie.
Dis nou nog 'n nuwe dag.
Nuwe dag, nuwe uitdagings.
En alles reg met die kar?
Wel, alles sover ons weet is reg met die kar. Maar jy weet hoe gaan dit met racing, enigiets breek enige tyd.
Ja, en ons keep the Twin Star vinnig en ons sien jou by die einde.
Ons hoop so, baie dankie.
Lekker, thanks Dan. Cheers. Morning Botswana.
Morning to you, sir.
How are you doing this morning, Yusuf?
We're all ready to go again. We're just planning to finish the race, bring it home safely, and hopefully pick up a podium. But we're feeling good. My co-driver is all charged up, so we're going for it.
Awesome. Where are the flags this morning?
You know, yesterday we went bunda bashing. I think it all flew away, mate.
Well, keep the... That's a nice example that we know that your screamer is working. Good luck, have fun.
Thank you so much.
Cheers. Môre Tyler.
Hoe gaan dit?
Lekker. Wat het gister gebeur?
Man, ons het goed gegaan tot so 190 kilos. Toe slaan ons 'n muurshoop hierso, net die ander kant en toe breek die steering se armpie af. So toe kon ons nie verder nie.
Maar nou is dit reg.
Wow, ons hoop so. Ons kon nie die paard kry nie, hulle het hom geswys. So ons hoop hy hou maar vir die dag.
Wel, alles van die beste. Bringing Land Cruiser by die huis.
Ons hoop so, ons gaan probeer. Dankie hoor.
Andre, môre, julle is die laaste starters.
Ja.
Wat het gister gebeur?
Ons het ons drivebel stukkend gery en toe dis 'n bietjie baie tyd gevat om hom te change.
Het julle 'n spare vir vandag?
Nee, ons het ene maar stukkend ook. So ons gaan maar rustig vat.
Wel, geniet dit. Ek is bly julle het dit by die startlyn gemaak, of amper by die startlyn.
Ja.
En ons sien jou weer wanneer julle klaar maak.
Nee, baie dankie.
Alles van die beste.
Ja,
Cheers.
dankie.